you a hug because we love you. You're a customer and that's the way we feel.
All of our certified vehicles, 2 keys, guaranteed.
We'll give you a hug of friendship, because that's our whole appeal.
Our motor vehicle inspection guaranteed 200% above industry standard. The safety of your family is important to you and to us.
We are Canada's huggable car dealer. Help you find your car for a deal. We're Canada's huggable car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals.
Check out all the options on these slightly used vehicles. Our free nitrogen program helps with longer lasting tires and gives you better gas mileage. That's your Jim Gilbert's advantage. Free walkaway job loss protection on all vehicles. All our vehicles come with a free Carfax report, the most trusted name in the automotive industry. All our vehicles are professionally detailed. Some say they're even cleaner than new.
And everyone loves their huggable singing bears. And yes, you get one too.
Get your Jim Gilbert's advantage, full tank of gas, every car, every time. At Wheels and Deals, our vehicles are best-in-class service, so you can have worry-free driving for a long, long time.
At Wheels and Deals, we'll never forget you, because we know a hug is the shortest distance between 2 friends. Have a huggable birthday.